H for hen, hen, cluck, cluck, walk again, again. H for hawk, hawk, fly, fly high, sky, sky, talk. H for hut, hut, small, small home, cozy cut. H for horn, horn, toot, toot sound, with the horn. H for happy, happy, smile, smile, clap, 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 snappy. H for human, human, wave, wave, hello, friend so true.